All right, you guys, so I am on my way to Big Lots, and I don't know what other store I'm going to, but I want to show you guys my top self-care and hygiene items that I always get at a cheaper price at Big Lots. So if y'all have not been shopping at Big Lots, then you guys are missing out. But listen, I am Latersa, Denise, and on this channel we talk a lot about self-care, hygiene, and lifestyle content. So if any of that intrigues your little mind, make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your bell notification so you won't miss another episode. So but yeah, that's what I'm doing today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me because I really truly want this to be like a series of shopping on a small budget. You really don't have to break the bank, you guys, to look and smell your best. So, and also, if you have not already downloaded my brand new ebook, The Old School Ways to Smell Good, using my old school tips and tricks. If you have not downloaded that ebook, make sure you guys go ahead. It's going to really help you guys. It's going to really bless you guys. I share a lot of information about how to choose the right scent for your body. Some of my favorite affordable recommended products for you guys all in one place. Some of my tips and tricks that have helped me and a lot of you guys too as well, all in one place. So make sure you download that. But the next clip you'll see me at Big Lots. All right, you guys, so we're heading on into Big Lots. I have not been in Big Lots in a long time, probably about a year, because it's so far from me. So I don't really think to go to Big Lots unless I'm in the area. But let me show you guys how I shop when I come into Big Lots. Some things, I will warn you, are a little bit overpriced in Big Lots. But if you sift through all that, then you can find some good deals, especially like if you used to going to Walmart and finding things. The thing about Big Lots, they have a little bit of everything, furniture, everything. So it's easy to get distracted in here, just like any store. But I'm gonna go through and show you guys some of the things that I usually get on a budget when I'm in Big Lots, because like I said, some things in Big Lots are just a little overpriced. You can do better at Walmart or something. You just gotta, the first tip is always compare your prices. That's why I always say go when you have enough time to really take your time. You got your list and everything like that, because I'm telling you, stuff will get you sidetracked. You come out of there, spend $300 and you ain't got nothing off your list. But here we go. I saw this Haze Sunshine. Y'all let me know if I should go back and get that, because y'all know that's my saying. I love it. Let me know in the comments, should I go back and get it? But anyway, I was looking for some sofa covers because don't seem like I'm able to sell my sofa and love seat. I've been trying to sell it for a couple of months now, but people be thinking when you buy stuff off of Facebook Market, they don't supposed to have a stain, a spot, or anything. So it's been hard selling it. So I'm trying to find something that I can cover it up and make it look new or something. I don't know. But anyway, I have purchased towels from Big Lots before, and they are of good quality. They are just as good as the towels in Walmart and Target. You just got to sift through. And the price is not really bad, because when you compare now these, I will say, they ain't the softest. I wouldn't get those out of Big Lots, because the ones I felt in like Target and Walmart is softer than those right there. But the towels, they are of good quality. I would say you will get your bang for your buck if you got some towels out of Big Lots. Yeah, they have a lot of different things, you guys. But I'm gonna let the music play, and y'all let me know in the comments, what do y'all have a Big Lots where you guys are? I saw that Lazy Susan. I was like, oh, I could use that to organize some stuff. But anyway, let me know in the comments if y'all have a Big Lots close by y'all.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but
And I would say that white set, you can definitely get your bang for your buck but a lot of the stuff was, especially in dishware, was a little overpriced. You can do better at Walmart, but every now and again you'll find some good little deals on some wine glasses and stuff like that. You can always get you some dish rags here as well. They have a nice little variety. It just really just all depends on what you like and what's your style. But yeah, if you take your time and look through, you can find some pretty decent things there. All right, y'all. So I'm in the candle section. When I tell y'all, y'all know how I feel about melts. That one, it didn't smell all that hot, but I'm smelling the candles because it be candles that's big as the ones. Now that one smell good. Big as the ones in Bath and Body Works. This candle right here smells so freaking good, and it was $7. Did y'all hear me when I say $7? And I had the voiceover because the music was playing, but $7 for that big old doggone candle. Now a couple of them was stinking. Like that room spray, it ain't really do it for your girl. But y'all, back to that candle, $7, and the ones in Bath and Body Works be like $25 and $30. No ma'am, miss me with all that. And here's another tip, y'all. Y'all can decorate your house in Big Lots. If you know what scheme and theme you're going for, you can find some cute little decor and stuff in Big Lots. You just got to know how to play your cards right. And if you need tissue, the Big Lot brand, it works just as good, you guys. It was like $4 or something for a 6 double pack. That wasn't bad. You can't go wrong with that. So I would highly recommend check your Big Lots and see what the deals are on their tissue, because they have some good prices. And y'all be asking me where I be getting my face mask and stuff. Big Lots is a place where you can get them for $1. Did y'all hear me? Foot mask $1. So yeah, check y'all Big Lots out, because I'm telling you, you can find some. Look at this right here. Foot mask $1. Neutrogena $3 face mask. Girl, you can't beat that. $1 vitamin C wipes. And then you got another face mask for $1. Y'all, when I tell y'all, take you a good $5, go get you 5 masks and build your self-care basket. That way, when you get ready to have your self-care day, you ain't got to worry about running out trying to buy the first thing you see. You've been buying little bit by little bit. I keep telling y'all, you do not have to grab all this stuff at one time. My self-care basket, I buy a little bit every time I get paid, because when I use something out of it, I like to replace it. And I don't go spending $50, $60. You know, I tell y'all all the time, I stick with my wallet. I stick with my budget. I don't have a Kim Kardashian's budget, so I'm real about that when I go in the store. We already got that understanding before we leave the house. But get a little bit at a time, you guys. And this brand right here, I want to say this one is cheaper. These pads are cheaper in Big Lots than they are at Walmart. And Fantasy, honey, I keep a small one in my purse. Y'all know I love vanilla. That's my favorite one. But back in the day, I used to keep the cotton candy one and the strawberry one in my purse to freshen up. But yeah, you just gotta be. And this Nair right here, it's cheaper in here. It's not the brand and scent that I like, but it was $4 in here. It's $8 and $9 in like Walgreens, Walmart. So yeah, you can come there and get you some Nair remover, and you won't be spending no $9 and $10. Yeah, they had bundles of toothbrush, but they ain't really look out. They weren't my kind. I don't like the soft bristle. I like medium bristle, because to me, I don't think the soft bristle gets my teeth clean. Colgate, $1. $1. Y'all heard me right. If your money is looking funny, honey, $1 toothpaste. As long as it's got some baking soda and peroxide in it, it's going to get your breath fresh, your teeth clean. This mouthwash going to do this. I think Sound Body is Big Lots brand. But it's going to do the same thing as this Thorough Breath that people always be raving about. But yeah, you just got to look and sift through. Because like I said, some of this stuff is overpriced. I wouldn't even dare take a second glance at it. But you'd be amazed that. Now, I wouldn't recommend buying deodorant out of Big Lots because it's too overpriced. You can do better than that at Walmart. But like these little things right here, $2 and $3. Oh, you can get your money's worth. Calgon, I like the one that's the orange one. That's my favorite one, but they were out. But I usually get that from there. And then check the little travel side. Y'all know I always tell y'all check the travel section. And this little section right here be $2 and $3. Freeman is a good is one of the brands that's there, but you can stock up on that stuff right here in Big Lots.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me.
Now, when it comes to body washes and stuff, your best bet at Big Lots is not the name brands, because they going to be overpriced. When I tell you they were overpriced, not the name brands. But when you look, I wouldn't even buy soap out of Big Lots because they're too overpriced. They doing too much. But as far as the body washes, I always go with Suave, because you can get, even soft soap is like $4 and something here, too much. But your Zest body washes and your Suave body washes is the cheapest you're gonna find in Big Lots. They be like $2-3. And then I saw this off-brand right here, Peach and Peony body wash was $4. Not too bad, but I wasn't going in there for that. But I haven't tried that. But the Suave and the Zest body washes are the ones that I gravitate towards. Look at this. This was only $2 and something, y'all. You cannot go wrong with Suave body washes. You can get clean. I'm telling you, you can get clean. Once you get that base clean, you can get clean with Suave body wash. And always check y'all clearance section, because you can find some good deals. So I hope this video encourages you and inspires you to know that you don't have to break the bank to get the necessities that you need. You can get organizing bins, all kinds of goodies, all on a budget. I hope it inspires you guys, and let me know if you guys are going to Big Lots lately and if you have one near you or not. But this is where I get my kids socks sometimes from here, and it'd be like 10 in a pack for like $3. You can't beat that. That's less than Walmart. And them right there was the little ones, but the first ones I had, they were $3 for 10 packs. So y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, leave me a comment, and let me know if you have a Big Lots close to you, and I'll see you on my next video.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold.